The grooming cream is a very versatile product. You can apply it to wet or dry hair. So first you take like a 1-inch ribbon or so, apply it into the palm of your hand, rub the product in between the palms and your fingers. Begin applying it with your fingertips. Move then to your palms, running it from scalp to ends, and then position into the desired shape. Alright Jamie, now I want to show you how you can achieve more of a dry polished look using the grooming cream. First you're going to start by blow drying your hair into position. Rub it in between your palms and your fingertips, and then to apply, you smooth over the surface of your hair with your palms and your fingertips into the desired shape. Now I want to show you how you can achieve more of a slick look using the grooming cream on towel dried hair. Begin applying it with your fingertips. Move then to your palms, running it from scalp to ends. Figure out where your hair naturally wants to part. Separate it, and then simply comb it into position.
Swapping out your lawnmower replacement blade is as easy as changing your underwear. So don't worry, we'll show you how. To change your blade, not your underwear. Grab your device and make sure it's powered off and unplugged. The replacement blade works with the Lawnmower 2.0, 3.0, and 4.0 models. Step 1. Press the top of the blade with your thumb and push forward to snap out the blade module. Step 2. Put your new replacement blade into the trimmer, blade side up. Step 3. Press the blade back until it snaps in place. Now your lawnmower is ready to go. For optimal performance and hygienic operation, your blade should be replaced every 3 months. You definitely deserve a new blade to keep things fresh. And while you're at it, don't forget to change your undies.
Hey Clayton, I would like to introduce you to a product that is very versatile, has a strong, pliable hold, and a matte finish. It can also be used on wet or dry hair. That product is grooming clay. You will begin by towel drying your hair and just removing excess moisture, but you would want to make sure that your hair stays damp. After you've removed the moisture, you will apply a small amount of product, place it in your palms, and then you'll rub it in between your palms and your fingertips. To apply the product, work it through with your fingertips and your palms from scalp to ends, and make sure that the product is everywhere throughout your hair. You will then find where your hair parts, separate it, and then simply comb it into position. You take a small amount, place it in your palms, rub it in between your palms and your fingertips, then you begin by applying it with your fingertips. You'll begin by blow drying your hair into position. Apply a small amount of product to the palm of your hand. Rub the product in between your palms and your fingertips, and you'll begin applying the product with your fingertips and your palms, smoothing over just the surface, the outer surface of your hair.